Well, it's a huge sense of relief for you all that, there's an A movie and a B movie, and, well, let's call this the C movie. We got Russian dolls. What was that? Tariffs? China? We have ways of making you talk. Oh my God. So I thought I'd show you progress here on a Friday. So I am getting organized. I've got a couple desks I've ordered for my two A1C printers and that collapsible Temu shelf on its own. It's going to be replaced by a rolling cart that is designed to hold printers and filaments. How about that? And let me show you some neat stuff here. I really like this case. They use magnets to hold it together. And I love this cane. I'll show you here in a second. So I'm getting stations set up. I'm going to have, for soldering, I'm going to have my electron microscope set up here. And I'm also going to have my eBay photo booth, which is going to be pretty cool. And I've got my 3D printing going on here, which is pretty neat. I want to show you this. So I'm making this for Mom for Mother's Day, and some friends' moms are going to love them as well. Pretty neat, huh? So it's a hummingbird. And let's go on and see, because occurrences have been happening here. Here's my rotating bookshelves that I put on carts so they roll. And, oh my gosh, you guys ought to get a laugh about this. Okay, let's just do this here. Hold on. Oh man, give me a second. I did say it was a C movie. So I wanted to show you this cane here. Look at this, man. How genius is that? So it's a cane with a stand. And I am going to start selling some of this stuff. I've been approved for a TikTok shop. And, of course, you guys don't really know my real identity, do you? Oh, man, I've been worried about this. With May the 4th be with you coming. And so, oh my goodness. What are we going to do, man? Oh my God. Are you ready? I know you guys have been excited to see this one. So I've got some theories. There's been time traveling afoot here at the black hole, as you guys know. Oh, I've seen many salespeople. They're doing a pretty good job too on TikTok. And there's things that are going on here at the black hole. And so Nevada Zero came in. And apparently what's happened here is, if you believe in time travel, so I have this theory. You can have a stable magnetic field if you place one magnet inside another magnet, like inside a ball bearing. And then by introducing a third magnet, things will actually hover and stay in place, right? So you have these temporal devices that allow you to travel back and forth in time. And of course, there's this little ship and UFOs appearing. Things are going bananas. At the black hole, I don't know. And so these little guys warped in, and I am going to repair poor little Boson. He kind of had the worst end of it coming in here in the time machine. So we got Boson Torpedo and PHOTONY. And so these little tunes came from the future. And I was actually going to have their time-traveling cube set up here with the lasers. But unfortunately, I was thwarted by an old extension cord that doesn't have a USB connection. But I did have one back here, right? It has a USB connection, but it has a 3-prong, and the extension cord only has 2. So our tech has been thwarted, as you can see. Oh, you don't believe me. That you can, in effect, create a stable magnetic field. And weird things go on with magnetic fields, don't they? So you may be able to, by creating that stable magnetic field and pushing the magnetic force in one direction or another with a series of stable magnets, basically bend the space-time continuum and travel back and forth in time. And it's all controllable as well. You guys may say, well, he's pretty much a nut job. But hey, man, I'm actually printing black holes. We have little green men and pyramids coming. And things warp in around here. You guys don't believe me, do you? So this case is really interesting because it's obviously pretty dang early. Okay. And how would this happen? All it has on it is a 5. And you know, if you look at this, what's this? What is this, guys? What is that? Maybe I am a time traveler, but who would believe it? That's right, it's cube number 5. And we had to use a telephone cord for the fan. And this hard drive was not the original because it's from 91. But the original optical drive, of course, was a piece of crap. And so we have the golden cube. This is from the year 2088. And so apparently they're telling me that, see, this is me. Let me see if I can show you. And I've got some fancy, I'm going to hide my identity. And so we got some fancy phone holders that are going to follow me around that I get set up. But this is the C or the D version of this movie. And May the 4th be with you's coming in a couple days. It's only May 2nd, so we still have time to improve on this movie. It might even go viral. There might be 2 people, maybe 3. And look, and what else are you going to see? An optical disc box with 10 of them. Even though there's 10 drives that don't work. Oh man, what's happening? And a hard drive, or should I say, power supply number 149. Oh my gosh. And you know, I do actually have NeXT cube number 4 as well. So, may the 4th be with you. So, apparently I own cube 5 and cube 4. Who else? And there's actually a 20th century Mac over there. Stay tuned. More lunacy to come from the black hole. I sure hope that recorded. And on behalf of myself and Boson Torpedo, we're going to fix you, buddy. And PHOTONY, they said that the future AI is basically taking over everything, okay, and they're banning all toys. Okay. So kids are no longer allowed to have toys. Look at their time machine, man. Okay. And and so they've come back and they said that, you know, somehow I'm supposed to convince all you guys we can save the planet. It's not too late. I mean, come on. We managed to, I mean, not most of you, but I'm 62. I've been, have the world's longest blog on blackholeinc.com. I'm going to have AI help me revamp my website, okay? And I've been screaming about it on the world's longest blog since the 90s. We need to save the planet. You know, we need the war for peace. No more of this fighting and stuff. And, you know, so look at these glasses, man. I'm telling you, there's something going on here. There really is. So peace out. And I gotta go back to the future. See you guys. Hope you enjoyed the movie. The end. Stay tuned for the sequel.